All right, guys, we are back here at Knott's Berry Farm. We are gonna check out the Peanuts headquarters to see what they got going on for the holidays. New merch, updates. Let's go. Fresh tracks and snacks on the way. Here we go. Like we got some Peanuts glass tree toppers. Got a lot. Right here, we got a little coffee mug as well. We got Snoopy all bundled up for the season.
Santa's sleigh and the present.
Oh, what is this? This is a Snoopy hat. Oh, look how cute that is. Let me guess, you touch the ears for me? Oh, his ears pop. Let's go. Definitely.
It's like so hard to squish it.
It's so hard to squish it? Okay. Let's see. We also have some Christmas sweaters right here. Look, we got some Loungefly Christmas sweaters already going on. We have more of the Snoopy ears. We have the little interactive bubble wand. I'm curious if they have the interactions, bubble wands, throughout the whole park like they do for like the horror events. So I think that might be it for the Christmas stuff here at the Peanuts headquarters. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and switch on over to the next door over, and we're gonna see what we have over there as well. All right, Gio, we're gonna go check it out. On to the next track, and let's look for a snack. All right, upon exiting the Peanuts headquarters, we are making our way through to Knott's Marketplace. We're gonna go ahead and kind of check out what they have over here in this section. So let's see what we got going on for the holidays. Headquarters had a little bit of things going on, nothing too extravagant. Still see a lot of boysenberry pie stuff going on. You know, a lot of merch and everything going over there. So we'll see what we can see that's for the holidays. All right, we're making our way through Ghost Town, but it is not a ghost town right now. It is a lively town right now. They have all the holiday decorations going on. Everything right here is looking so awesome. Let's go ahead and see what they have. Look, everything's different this year too. They have a lot of cool different things going on. A lot of the markets. It does, it smells really nice. You are not wrong. Oh, look, and then these are the interactive wands they have going on. So you get a wand and then you do it and it does bubbles or something. No, you're fine. So that's cool. All right, let's see. Looks like the sheriff's office over here is decorated with a lot of cool adjustable rings. Those are like CD covers, book covers, okay. So pretty cool. So let's see. Andale. All right, guys, we are about to go on the Snoopy on Ice.
And enjoy your stay.
So we're about to check this out. It's a beautiful show. I watched this last year, the year previous. Every year is a beautiful year watching this. So let's enjoy. Have a great time, guys. Okay, come back up. Chill.
Yeah, they said do one, but not the future.
It's too short.
And then Black Gold.
That.
From my first Merry Christmas.
You see now? You good?
With every card I address and send, there's a longing that starts, and it's pouring my heart home for Christmas again.
Snoopy! Woo!
'Twas the night before Christmas, and all through the town, not a beagle was stirring, not one peep or a sound. Good grief.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
The children were nestled all snug in their beds, while visions of beagles danced round in their heads. The toy-making gnomes filled up stockings with care, as proof that St. Nicholas would surely be there.
Christmas, Christmas time is here, and Christmas songs you love to hear. Songs and songs we love to hear, all played 1,000 times each year. It's October, stores with lights and Christmas trees. But the eggnog, sit back and watch Rudolph Humpty's Christmas tree. Let's do the trick or Charlie Brown's song. It's time to do the Christmas dance, and if you can't dance, well that's okay. I'm going to do that tonight. Run to your closet, find your Christmas sweater, screaming carols all the way. Hey, Santa to the camp, join the camp, go grab some Chinese food. Friends all the way to it's the Christmas camp, that's the end. A Merry Christmas, Father's Cup, and also Blossoms Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, and Merry Kwanzaa too. Dasher and Dancer and Prancer and Vixen,
Comet and Cupid and Dawn and Blitzen.
but do you recall the most famous reindeer of all? Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw him, you would even say it close. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. They never went for Rudolph, joining any reindeer games. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? Then how the reindeer loved him as they shouted out with glee. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you will go down
was the matter. Away to my window, I flew like a flash, or opened the shutters to the sound of a bash that was happening right there on the ground down below. A party was raging in the new fallen snow.
The snowman was a jolly happy soul, with a corncob pipe and a button nose, and two eyes made out of gold. Frosty the snowman was alive as he could be, and the children say he could laugh and play just the same as you and me. Thumpity-thump, thumpity-thump, look at Frosty go. Thump, thump, thumpity-thump, oh, there's the snow. Here we go. Don't you cry like that again. Look at Frosty go. Oh, there's some snow.
Bring me some toys, bring Merry Christmas to all girls and boys. And every night I'll go to sleep singing and dream about the presents you'll be bringing. Santa, Santa, promise me please, give every reindeer a hug and a squeeze. I'll be good as good can be, Mr. Santa, don't forget me.
Mr. Santa, bring me some toys. Mr. Santa, dear old Saint Nick, be awful careful and please don't get sick. Put on your coat when breezes are blowing, and when you cross the street, look where you're going. Santa,
Santa,
we've been so good.
we've washed the dishes and done what we should. Now we put you on the spot, Mr. Santa, bring us a lot.
Mr. Santa, bring me some toys, bring me a lot.
Mostly sunny tomorrow with a high near 68. Beautiful day with ample sunshine. The high Wednesday around 80 degrees.
Good evening to all of our listeners from K-Knot Radio, broadcasting live to you from the Walter Knott Theater. We hope you're all nestled around your fireplace and your radio on this cold and snowy winter's eve with a nice cup of hot cocoa as we invite you to enjoy tonight's fine offering of music. So, without further ado, Maestro, if you please.
Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Oh, it doesn't show signs of stopping, and I've brought some corn for popping. The lights are turned way down low. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Oh, let it snow.
Whoa, she did a kick.
All the way home I'll be warm. All the way home I'll be warm. The fire is slowly dying, and my dear, I'm still goodbying. As long as you love me so, let it snow.
to the sky. Heading for the mistletoe, my baby and I. It's Christmas and I'm really getting in the mood. In the mood. Bells are ringing. Yeah, the party's swinging. In the mood. Yeah, singing a boogie. Let's start the music now. I'm in the mood.
The snow is snowing and the wind is blowing, but I can weather the storm. What do I care how much it may storm? I've got my love to keep me warm. Off with my overcoat, off with my glove. I need no overcoat, I'm burning with love. Oh, my heart on fire, the flame goes higher, so I will weather the storm. What do I care how much it may storm? I've got my love to keep me warm.
Then what to my wandering eyes should appear but a candy cane lane full of holiday cheer? His hips gave a wiggle as he blew me a kiss. Then we both started dancing the peppermint twist.
Well, got a new dance, it goes like this. The name of the dance is the peppermint twist. You like it like this, the peppermint twist. Get round and round, up and down, round and round, up and down, round and round, up and down. 1, 2, 3, kick. 1, 2, 3, jump.
Sweet like a sugar-coated candy.
Pa-rum-pa-bum-bum, pa-rum-pa-bum-bum. That's how the drummers were playing this drum. Pa-rum-pa-bum-bum, 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 a bing bang boom, a scooby doo red attack, a storm-bomb. Good grief.
They told me, ba-ra-ba-ba-ba, a newborn king to see, ba-ra-ba-ba-ba. Our finest gifts we bring, ba-ra-ba-ba-ba, to lay before the king, ba-ra-ba-ba-ba, ba-ra-ba-ba-ba, ba-ra-ba-ba-ba. My voice so dope. Little baby, ba-ra-ba-ba-ba. I am a poor boy too, ba-ra-ba-ba-ba.
Gather around the mistletoe real quick.
I have no gifts to bring,
Matter of fact, let's gather around the fireplace. It's about to get hot in here.
that's meant to give us
Lead the way up.
Lights, please. And there were, in the same country, shepherds abiding in the field, keeping watch over their flock by night. And lo, the angel of the Lord came upon them, and the glory of the Lord shone round about them, and they were sore afraid. And the angel said unto them, Fear not, for behold, I bring you tidings of great joy, which shall be to all people. For unto you is born this day, in the city of David, a Savior, which is Christ the Lord. And this shall be a sign unto you. You shall find the babe wrapped in swaddling robes, lying in a manger. And suddenly there was with the angel a multitude of the heavenly host, praising God, saying, Glory to God in the highest, and on earth peace, goodwill toward men. That's what Christmas is all about, Charlie Brown.
This is my wish for the world, that peace would find its way to every boy and girl. This is the time for harmony. Let love be the song that everybody sings. Lift your light and shine, shine, shine. Every voice be heard. Let there be peace on earth. I hear the sweetest sound, the sound of hope to come. Together we could bring good it start with me. Let every nation rise and sing this melody. Fill the air with joyful noise. Ring the bells and raise your voice. Let there be peace on earth. Let there be peace on earth. Let every voice be heard. Let there be peace on earth. And let it begin. Let there be peace on earth, the peace that was meant to be. With God as our Father, brothers all are we. Let me walk with my brother in perfect harmony. With joyful noise, let there be peace on earth. Lift your light and let it shine. Let it shine, shine, shine. Let every voice be heard. Let there be peace. Let there be peace on If you are worried and you can't sleep, try counting blessings instead of sheep, and you'll fall asleep counting your When I am worried and I can't sleep, I count my blessings instead of sheep, and I fall asleep. You fall asleep, counting your blessings.
Christmas. There's just one thing that I need. I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. All I want for Christmas Christmas, there's just one thing I need. I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make mine is not true, 'cause all I want for Christmas.
Ladies and gentlemen, the cast of Snoopy's Night Before Christmas. Bristol, Mia, Scott, Becky, Jessica, and Joey. Katie Curran. Timmy Chapman. Colleen Mikulski. Haley Pereira. And Mark Bernardo. And the world's merriest beagle, Snoopy!
And Charlie Brown too has been real out of sight. Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night.
Ladies and gentlemen, we hope you enjoyed Snoopy's Night Before Christmas. We hope that you'll visit us